Angibingelele, ubingelele baba udokotela bobe sizibojabula umfana umhlanje ekhehle yabulungu. Hey, ubaba usetrend unyaka wonke. Kuyadlala. Bakithi, this is baba udokotela bobe sizibojabula umfana umhlanje ekhehle yabulungu. Amancane ngisolo futhi ngqosi. Today I've got a topic that says SMW, social media wealth. Baba udokotela is based in KwaZulu-Natal, Exhibit to Nedbank House Building. In 19th floor suite 1904 to 1905. I do have a studio called Studio Rooms. Dark room, studio number 1. Ubaba Dotela uzomthola lapho ke. Ubaba Dotela wenyanga obela kwendabuko, one of the uneducated nyangas. By far, nyanga ngifuna ukuthi namhlanje ke nginike ithuba ukuthi ke nibe khona into emhlawumbe ngiyembulayo kuleni. Something will change because my target is youth. I'm targeting to buoyant youth, to make youth float above the levels of poverty. Waves of poverty are just too liquid. They will suffocate you. Bakithi angeke ngikhulume le nto le. Nginendawo engilaphela abantu khona esibizwe e-wellness babudokotela wellness place. Laphana ke kufika abantu abagulayo bagulisa izinto ezahlukahlukene. But abantu abanama fibroids, we know what to tell them to raise hope. Sazi ukuthi ayizowenzeka le nto. We know what to give them. We know that bazoba ne-diarrhea bayeke futhi lo nto. Athi le nto ngiyiphuza ngikhiphisa nesisu. Lana into engiyenzile nginalama patch lawa. They're so important. Nginalama patch lawa. Le patch le inendawo la oyivula khona. Le patch le inendawo la oyivula khona, yabo? Uyivula kanje uyihlukanise njengeplaster uma usulahla lokho kunye. Le patch it allows you mase siyinamathisela 1 2 3 la kuma fibroids. Bekuna ama fibroids. Mase kuzothi umuntu onenhliziyo angina. Sithatha le patch lesiyinamathisele la kwi-sternum. Ngifaka ke awu7 ama patch. Ngifaka awu7. These patches, they help me a lot. Why am I showing all this to people? Because I'm pushing for innovation at Lapin. Because I did say that even in Latina, it is an outdated software. Outdated, more than 200 years old. And we are still using things of spreading bones. That is ancient. That is very old. Very old. We should have something different. Nokulapha abantu, we must innovate it. I hate evolve it. We must innovate it. Put it to the bar that we can able to sit around with the international community. Ukuthi thina silapha kanjani ngamakhambi esintu. Bakithi la ngifuna ukunika amagama sine data yenyanga engifuna ukunika njengoba ngizobe ngihambile nje. Ngesikhathi kukhona into oyifunayo. Ukwazi ukuthi ufonele lo nyanga uthi hayibo. Nginenyanga la engiyifunayo angiyitholi ukuthusa imali abanganoma ungakwazi nokungisiza wena. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini. Then ake siqale. In Pretoria I've got inyanga yomswazi eyase Mpumalanga province ese White River. Kodwa isebenzele ePitoli. Ngizokunika, I'll give you 2 numbers. He is in Pretoria. I'm giving you 2 numbers only. If you don't take the numbers, you don't have to be calling Babu Dotela while I'm in Malawi. Because I dispatch these numbers because I am leaving the country for like long time, so that when I'm away, you can call these people. In Pretoria, here's the number to call it 073. You got a pen and a paper? 073 072 7759. 073 072 7759. He's got 2 numbers. I don't know which one to use. The second one is 076. He's in Pretoria. 076 645 9823. 076 645 9823. You'll find him in Pretoria, but he's from Mpumalanga in White River. In Bizana, there is inyanga eBizana, Yempondo. There is inyanga eBizana as well. I'm not mentioning their names because eBizana, nansinya number yakhona Impondo. In Bizana, take the number down, get a paper and a pen. 062 402 6569. 062 402 6569. That gentleman we find in Eastern Cape. Zululand, Northern Zululand, I've got Inyanga as well. Ubaba Ukhumalo, I'm mentioning his name because he's my elder. He initiated me very well. I'm proud. Lo baba lona ngathi sengiphothulwa kuyena ngeyalo zangempela. Ngamnika iJeep Commando. Jeep Commando, yes, it was black in color. Ngamnika just to say thank you, baba. His number is 073 273 7679. 073 273 7679. You find him in Northern KwaZulu-Natal, KwaNongoma. This is Babu Dr. Voices Watch. Good people, let us talk about the demise of our ethnic value ebunyangeni. What literally demise ukufa ukulapha ebunyangeni. Most of izinyanga namhlanje angikhulume zangoma ngazobesa ngoba most of izinyanga namhlanje they wish to be something that they are not. Izinyanga namhlanje they've got an attitude and an appetite of being abafundisi. Izinyanga, they've got an appetite or a wish of being abafundisi. Bafuna futhi azazi na isho ukuthi zifunani. Ziseyona kodwa zifuna ungena ngapha ensindisweni, but azazi ziyayithanda iginqi zangapha iorgan yangapha. Ziyathanda ama testimonies ngapha, but zisengapha eso, but azinayo isho ukuthi yini ezifuna. That alone it demises our ethics of practice. Oba into esiyiyona siyenziwe yidlozi. Qale phansi. Into esiyiyona nje wase ithongo lesinike lo msebenzi. Ithongo lesinike umsebenzi. But idlozi lasishitshisa into esinikwe yithongo. Ngalo ndlela kunabantu abeza kuthina sebahamba baya emnqamlezweni. Bafika bangangena kwelamathongo ngeenkinga zabo. Mebebuya beza kuthina ba amadlozi, bafika kuthina amathunzi amnyama, bafika kuthina bezokhala bezofuna sibenzele ukuthi. Ngithatha isinqumo ke sokuthi rather than letting the demise of ukulapha abantu bagcina benza izinye izinto okungezona, angeke ngakhe umuthi esibiza ukuthi umgeza dlozi noma umhlamba dlozi. Umgeza dlozi noma umhlamba dlozi. Lana kusuke ngifuna ukuthi ngigeze isidalwa sakho. Period. Okuyisona esiza kuwena namathunzi amnyama. Esenza ukuthi imiyalelo yasethongweni ingafinyeleli kuwena. Ngoba wena kade uphupha ithongo belikutshengisa ngisho umuthi ebeyimzini umuthi endaweni ukuthi kunomuthi, endaweni ukuthi kunomuthi, endaweni ukuthi kunomuthi. Ithongo belikutshengisa kodwa kwafika idlozi elidungekile kuwena, lafikela ivala le nto thile wena uzuvumela into elisho. You understand? Ngalo ndlela, that is what I'm trying to tell you is this. Ngibese ngakha umuthi esubiza ukuthi umhlamba dlozi noma umgeza dlozi esubiza ngani wena. Wenza 4 days uwenza lo muthi. Umuthi engenile lapha ungenile uMamponzana, wangena uMabusana. Bunge kuze usale. Wangena uMabusana buke kuzisale lo muthi. Imithi engikholelwa kakhulu ukuthi uma ngiguqula umkhathi kufuna ungene uvumo omhlophe. Uma ngifuna nje uguqula kahle umkhathi kufuna ungene uvumo omhlophe. Ngeke uye usale unqeke ngendlela bengifisa ukungawusho but ngeke uzosala. Kodwa ke ngineminye ke ethe ukupheciza. Umuntu ke lento ke ngimenzela yona nge1000, just 1000 rand. Ngikuthumele ngithi hamba wenze kanje lapha ekhaya. Ungenza kubabudotela ngikwenze kulungile. Bese ngithoka ukuthi uzophuthula ekhaya futhi. Lokho nje sibenzela abantu kona nge1000 kuphela ngoba ezinye izinto abantu bafuna usizenzele yabona kodwa manje akwenzeki. Awenze bona. Bakithi angeke ngiyikhulume lento lena. Ubaba uDokotela njengenyanga kunezinto akufuze mezisho azisho but azi ukuthi zinama consequences. Ake siyibuke la siqalelana. Izinto ngendlela esenza ngayo akuyona into ekufuze siyenze. Kunento ekufuze ngaba science kodwa namanje science. Sinento kungeniswa abantu abadala, sinento kubikwa kweemoto, sinento kungeniswa abantu abadala, ukubikwa kweemoto. Ingane imiphasile esikoleni yenzela ukuthi ukubika umsebenzi umutholile. Ake siyilungise lento le. Indlela ongeniswa kwabantu abadala ikhona, into ekhona. Uma uzongenisa abantu abadala nansi into oyidingayo, ngifuna ungitholele amakhandlela awu2 amhlophe. Ungitholele ibhakede elimhlophe. ebhaketheni elimhlophe ufake imali emhlophe ibe 1 rand noma 2 rand. Ebhaketheni elimhlophe uthole lobuhlalo obuncane bokugcina ufake bobe u7. Ishumi ubuhlalo obu7 ibhakede elimhlophe amakhandlela awu2 amhlophe. Ikhandlela elikhanya ngapha elinye likhanya ngapha. Umuse uyongithengela umuthi esithi umhlwazi wedlozi. Umhlwazi wedlozi. Umuse ungitholela umuthi ekuthiwa umalizwenda noma umgogi wenhlanya. Umuse ungitholela umuthi ekuthiwa umbangabanga. Mase ke uthole utshwala besintu umqombothi noma lesithi nobizulu noma besixhosa. Into engangokhamba nje nawo umuse uyibeke lapha yanake. Musu ngitholela inkukhu ewulamthuthu nothi yesintu ngifuna le ulamthuthu uDomolo sithithizelayo ngoba idlozi lalo suku ulithithizelisa. Muse uthatha ikhasi lombangabhanga ulibeke phansi. Funa kube ihlamvu nje elinekhasi lembabhanga elikhulu kodwa ikhasi lelikhulu lombangabhanga ulibeke phansi. Uma usuthatha umalizwenda ubeke ngaphezulu ngani noma ilalela yini lento kusho uthini ikhasi lelo mbangabhanga uthatha umalizwenda ubeka la ngaphezulu uma usukubeka la uduze kokhamba uyeke ukuthi ngithini kwena mase uthuma umfana uthi akaphumele ngaphandle komuzi afika ahlabe khona ngesipedi kanye mase abuyisele eceleni inhlabathi kusale nje into engathi isigodi hayi umgodi into eyisigodi nje mase wena uthatha umhlwazi wedlozo oquliwe uthele lapha kula amanzi. Lento ayidingi ukuthi usongazubiza umuntu wakashembe wasechibini waselihanyane zenzele wena ngiyakutshela nje ukuthi ezwa kanjani ngiyakutshela nje ningaloku nisiphe imali mali. Mase ke uthatha umhlwazi wedlozi into engangesandla uthi qhula phaya kula manzi uyeke. Musu uthatha inkukhu uthatha impepho uyishiye lapha ya musu uthatha inkukhu uphumele nawo ngaphandle ekhaya. Musu uthatha iqhuzu elincane iqhuzu elincane lomhlwazi ulifake ngaphansi kolimi. Musu usukhuluma ungaphandle komuzi ukhulume umhlwazi ufakela ngaphakathi emlomeni. Uyahamba uzongena ekhaya uyiphethe lenkukhu uyakhuluma yabathapha uzozongena endlini. Uma ufika endlini ubatshethe nangu kumsebenzi wenu ke sesiyawuphuthula la ekhaya. Uzokwenza nje nakho uyayibulala lenkukhu. Igazi ifuna lingene kulamanzi ashintsha abebufu. Usuzokhipha inyongo uyiqhumisela la phakathi. Ngiyangizwa ukuthi ngithini. Musu usuyawuphehla ke lo muthi uphehle ubanekela ukuthi inkukhu abayichuthe bangayipheki. Uphehle musu usuyawuyeka. Musu uyekile musu ukhala ubutshwala lopho. Ukho into engangenkomishi. Mase uyikhile uthi ngithi nana bosibani engafuni ukugezwa yimina ngoba ngiyingane. Engafuni ukugezwa yimina ngoba ngizalwe endlini kaSibani. Ngicela ukuthi ningilandele ngoba ngifuna ukuninika utshwala benu. Ningahlali nabantu eningabafuni. Mase uphatha lo angithi ngithela umbangabhanga lo umalizwenda lo uthela utshwala la ngaphezulu. Umusu uyalihudula ke lehlahla linotshwala nomgogo wenhlanya lo. Uze uyofika kule ndawo yesigodi ufike ke lehlahla ulishiye khona. Nangu umalizwenda la ngaphezulu. Umusu uthatha lo tshwala obuphethe ngojeka ubuthele bonkuthi phuzanike. Nenyama yenu ngizonilethela okusho ukuthi uyazihlukanisa izidalwa yabo uyazihlwana usuthatha lo muthi olapha yanake usuyachela la igcikeni uyachela ngaphandle usuqedile ukuchela into osuzoyenza ke ntambama usuthola umsuzwane kuphela ungawuthaki thola umsuzwane kuphela uthola umshanelo lokushanela endlini bonke abantu bala ekhaya ufuna ubageze uma ubageze uyabafutha ngalomshanelo bazungeza umuntu umfutha umzungeza bafutha ngomsuzwane kuphela emva kwalokho idlozi uligezile but idlozi uligezile nako ke usekufuze manje ubike imoto ebikiwe ihlupha ngegazi ihambe ngoba ibikwe ngesilwane izoloku ihlupha imoto ebikiwe yabo izoloku ihlupha ingane lokho imshimi iphasela esikoleni kwekhontenzelwa izoloku ihlupha futhi nayo lezi zinto lezi uzozenza kodwa zizoba nama adversary effect. Why ngisho njalo usulingenisile ke idlozi la ekhaya mina nginemize u9 ngizolingenisa emzini u9 Angiyenzanga mina lento. Ngiyenzanga nje lento. Ngiyazi ngiyenze nje lento le. Because ngiyayazi lento engikufundisa yona inama side effect futhi. Inama side effects. Ngoba labantu mosusu bangenisile bazofuna ukudla. Funa uhlala ekhaya bekhona amahewu la ekhaya. La ekhaya ufuna hlale abe khona amahewu. Iphasi ingane uyenzela umsebenzi ubonga ukuthi iphasi lengane. Imithola umsebenzi ifuna ibonge. Imishintsha umsebenzi ifuna ibonge. Or otherwise lengane won't be promoted because kunemoya wayideliver kuyona wena ingashongo ukuthi ufuna lonto. Ngalo ndlela mina I don't do that. Zonke imoto zami this month alone ngithenga imoto ezo2 angaze ngireport ngisha yodwa. I don't do that. I don't do that. Ngiyakufundisa kodwa ngikubekela no line omhlophe ukuthi yenze lento ekutshela yona ngoba vese ufuna ukuyenza kodwa inama side effect when the time goes by. Inama side effect. Yeah. SMW social media wealth. Lalela bakithi. If you know how powerful imedia ngendlela epowerful ngayo. It was the first time ngibona mina upresident edefender iproduct yakwelenye izwe ukuthi ayingahambi elihlale okungcona xoxiswana bethi they are banning what is called TikTok. They could not afford America to live without TikTok because they know what is capable of. They know what is capable of. They know what is capable of. Engisho ukuthi having a Facebook it means something. Having a social media kungabe kona nama yama social media platforms. Believe you me, if you know what to do there, ngeke uzulambe. Ngeke uzulambe. Uyazi go-20 rand kuphela. Njoba wena wenza ama-gate aluminium ane-remote. Ungenza i-gate lakho uliqede. Wenze i-video yalelo gate, i-video ewu-20 second to 25 second phela ushiya inamba ukuthi ukuphi. Umuso ubooster leyo nto ngo-20 rand kuphela. Ngo-20 rand kuphela. It will be seen by people close to 1,000. Kwi-vicinity yakho it will be seen. Ukuthi awani lo muntu wenza ama-gate bese besithi mhlawumbe thina uyagula nje kanti bese uyayisanganela nje. No. I-social media if ukwazi ukuthi to drive it. Kunabantu namhlanje abasebenzayo through ukuthi babonakala ku social media namhlanje basebenza. Bahona kangcono kunawe wena ongenayo social media. Ukuthi so into ze-social media usingeni nje. That is why uzohlezi unje. That is why uzohlezi unje. Kunabantu namhlanje abavule ama-department athize amonetize u-social media kuphela. Because social media is there. Ifikile i-social media you have to join it or if you don't join it uzosebenza kulabo abayijoinile. Kwalento wena okwana ukuthi uma usuka lana uye eJohannesburg uhamba ngemoto. It because awazi ukuthi ontanga bakho sebehamba ngamabhanoyi. Wena lento ukuthi ungene ebhasini uye eGoli, ontanga bakho bahamba ngamabhanoyi. Because through social media, if wazi ukuthi what to do with social media, believe you me, ngabe awuyona into iyona namhlanje. Ake siyibuke sizongena kulento ku social media wealth ukuthi how deep we can go. Angifuni ukunithusa. You can go beyond 20 rand. Something will happen. You can go beyond 20 rand, but something huge will happen. But slowly angizonge ngifundise ngoba ngizoqala ngitarget ngizonifundisa ngokwaminyaka so that nizokwazi ukuthi how to do mining ku social media, not Bitcoin mining kumsangana, mining ku social media, and thereafter you'll know. And kolumsezo obufuna uzoma ufocus kulento yenzayo because i-social media siyabazisa abantu ukuthi ukhona. This is Babu Dr. Babu Sisbojabu mfana mhleja. Now I want you to think again. Social media wealth SMW. Thank you very much. Goodbye.